Pick up the tab, freeload, kick the cans down the road, spill the beans, have a taste of your own medicine, raining cats and dogs. These are some of the many idioms that we use in our daily English. The only way you can practice idioms is by knowing them and practicing them in your daily English. For example, it is raining cats and dogs. It doesn't mean that dogs and cats are falling from the sky. It means it is raining heavily. Idioms are an important part of English usage because they make English more richer, more meaningful in our daily conversation or our expression. Let us look at some example. Pick up the tab. It means taking financial responsibility. Example, it is my birthday today, so my father agreed to pick up the tab for dinner. That means he is going to be responsible to pay for the bill. 2. Kick the cans down the road. It means to delay or to avoid dealing with a problem thinking that it will go away. For example, the government keeps kicking the cans down the road instead of resolving or finding solution for the problem. Freeload. Take advantage of someone else's money or food and not paying in return. Have a taste of your own medicine. To have the same feeling of bad treatment that you have once given to others. Example, she used to make fun of her friends, but when her friends made fun of her, she had the taste of her own medicine. Spill the beans. To reveal the secret or confidential information, mostly by accident. Example, don't invite your friends to your surprise birthday party because he always spills the beans. Continue to practice, like, share and comment if you like this video. Stay tuned to watch my next video on phrasal verbs used in English. Thank you.